The tool you need to use is get.dmg. Because this tool is not downloaded in the App Store, you need to authorize this tool on your computer. Find the terminal of the computer as shown in the following figure. Click the terminal to see the following interface. Input sudo spctl material disable. Enter the power on password, and then you will see System Preferences, Security, Privacy, General. To see the image below and then select any source. Double-click get.dmg. If there is a pop-up frame, please click Open. You can view a Get program. Double-click Get, then a window will pop up. Use USB to connect your Mac computer to the machine. Wait for the machine reset to finish. Then click on the image above Open.